Welcome to the course Introduction to Machine Learning. Here in this video, we will be looking at theoretical aspects of machine learning, and also we'll walk through a few of the applications, and also we'll be seeing what kind of programming language and libraries we'll be using. Okay. So basically, what exactly is machine learning? So if you tell you Google around and you will find some kind of definition like this. So machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence and computer science which focuses on the use of data and algorithms to imitate the way that humans learn and gradually improve its accuracy. So again, going with the definition, it is like little complex to understand at the moment because we are telling all about like computer science, data, algorithms, and also like kind of it will learn human behavior and all. So I have another definition which will be giving a much more simple way. Okay, so basically, machine learning is use of data. Okay, so these data is all over. We'll be seeing application which will understand better. So use of data to help the computer understand various patterns which helps it to make better predictions. Okay, so again with better accuracy. So we will be creating machines. So for example, let us get into some kind of real life example. Over here we have an image. So basically if we are a student and there is a teacher overlooking at us. Okay, so when we are actually solving a particular a problem or something, so the teacher is overlooking us because he or she knows that you are bound to make mistakes, right? So you will be making mistakes. Maybe if you are doing some kind of mathematical problem, you might go wrong with respect to calculations or formulas or anything. So he or she is present with us so that whenever we do any mistakes, so they make any mistakes or going using a wrong formula or whatever, or going down to a wrong path. So he or she will be there to guide us. So similarly, here we can look at a pattern in the picture that there is some data we are trying to get into it. Okay. So here what happens is it will be coming to the computer to analyze, understand, and learn these patterns. So here you can observe some kind of patterns, and this can be taken as data. So now through the entire process, so there is a person on the right overlooking this entire process just because the machine should not learn something that is wrong. Okay, so it should learn only what is correct, and also with respect to the patterns, like what exactly is the correct pattern, not the wrong pattern, and maybe predictions also. Like we human beings, as I was telling, it is machine learning is nothing but a branch of artificial intelligence, right? So when we have intelligence, we will able to predict few things. Maybe looking at an image, like maybe a dog's image or a cat's image, we can tell it's a dog or it's a cat. Okay, because of visual memory, what we have, the distinguish. So that is the intelligence what we human possess. So similarly, we want to train our machine. Okay, so we will be doing deploying something known as a machine learning model, such a way that it will understand the patterns. Okay, so how exactly a cat looks, how exactly a dog looks, so something like that with respect to image processing it will be. Okay, so it will be able, it should able to analyze and understand and learn the patterns. Okay, so entire process will be guided by a person because the machine should not learn that is something wrong. Okay, so basic distinguishing example also, machine should not learn dogs characteristics as cats and cats characteristics as dogs in that particular example. So if a machine learns something that is wrong and is going to keep that in the memory, what happens is the prediction will go wrong. Okay, so again the machine won't be 100% predicting 100% accuracy. Again, it will vary with respect to feature, application to application, and what type of learning we are using. In machine learning, there are many types of learnings. So most popular ones will be covering up in this course. So that's why again it will be predicting wrong when it is learning wrong, like learning something pattern which is wrong. Okay. So well, machine learnings help us to predict like better, if at all we have better approximation. So exactly, if at all you are getting some 90%, 95%, 99% on a machine learning algorithm, at that situation you don't need any more human intelligence to sit over there and do prediction. Rather, you can just verify, cross verify once with the machine which is already predicted. It will be again approximately knowing what exactly is going to happen in the future, or what exactly is the item approximation view. For example, like distinguishing between a dog's image and cat's image. Okay, so we can use machine learning, and people feel that we are able to predict the feature. Okay, so we will be able to predict the feature. This statement, this is not the wrong statement, but it's an approximation. Okay, we are not actually predicting what's going to happen in the future, but basically for the data, when I tell about the future, the data will be coming from the future itself. Okay, or based on the present state. So based on something happening at the right moment, maybe at the next situation, what will happen? With respect to the human intelligence, we will be able to predict this. So such things only will be training the machine, training the model, so that it can predict what is going to happen next. So basically, it will approximate the end result. Okay, but we are looking a few of the studies that been mentioned in the upcoming slides. Like we'll be seeing in the few of the learnings in the further down the course. And to understand these algorithms in particular, like how exactly these algorithms are used for particular applications, so that we will understand like different scenarios. Like again, we have many examples. So before that, let us look at a helicopter view of what exactly we are going to learn in this course. Okay.